Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will break down the syllabus for the Palo Alto Networks Accredited Configuration Engineer exam and show you exactly what to study and why it matters. Overview. The exam covers 5 domains with precise weights and estimated learning effort totaling 38 hours. Firewall configuration is 25%, App ID, User ID, and Content ID is 25%, Security and NAT policies is 25%. Security operating platform is 15%, and logging and reporting is 10%. Each domain mixes conceptual and scenario-based assessment, so expect both theory and practical scenarios on the test. Firewall configuration carries 25% of the exam, is rated medium difficulty, and has an estimated learning time of 8 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn device management and how the management and data plane are separated, plus how to configure Layer 2 and Layer 3 interfaces. The syllabus also covers virtual wire and tap mode deployments, assigning interfaces to security zones, and configuring virtual routers and static routes. Administrative roles, authentication profiles, and configuration revision control are included so you can manage, audit, and roll back firewall settings correctly. App ID, User ID, and Content ID is another 25% and is rated hard with about 12 hours of study and both conceptual and scenario-based questions. Candidates will learn the App ID identification engine and how the process identifies applications beyond port and protocol, as well as how to build application filters and application groups. The domain also covers User ID agent and agentless mapping techniques, group mapping, and integrating User ID into policy decisions. Content ID topics include security profiles for antivirus and anti-spyware, vulnerability protection, URL filtering, and WildFire malware analysis and file blocking so you can inspect and block risky content effectively. Security and NAT policies is 25%, medium difficulty with 10 estimated study hours and conceptual plus scenario questions. You will learn the policy engine, how security policy rule matching works, and how to design and implement security rules for real traffic. NAT topics include source and destination NAT, static IP and dynamic IP port translation, and how NAT interacts with policies in common deployment scenarios. The syllabus also covers policy rule shadowing and optimization, service and service group usage, security policy actions and logging options, and application-based policy best practices for cleaner and more effective rule sets. Security operating platform represents 15% of the exam, is easy difficulty, and expects about 4 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain gives a high-level view of the Palo Alto Networks architecture, including the single-pass parallel processing SP3 design that enables efficient traffic handling. You will review next-generation firewall foundational concepts, global protect remote access components, and an overview of Panorama centralized management, WildFire cloud and hybrid models, plus public and private cloud security integrations, are included so you understand how the platform fits into modern network and cloud environments. Logging and reporting is 10% of the exam, easy difficulty, with about 4 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based questions. Expect to learn traffic, threat, and system log analysis, and how to use the Application Command Center ACC for visualization. The syllabus covers creating and scheduling custom reports, configuring log forwarding profiles, using dashboard widgets to monitor system health, and performing packet capture for troubleshooting. Mastering these items will help you maintain visibility, investigate incidents, and produce actionable reports. To conclude, follow the domain weights and the listed topics to structure your study time and focus on hands-on scenarios as well as concepts. Review the key configuration steps, identification technologies, policy and NAT interactions, platform architecture, and monitoring tools to be ready for both conceptual questions and practical scenarios. Good luck with your preparation for the Palo Alto Networks Accredited Configuration Engineer exam.